She's the one. 3 beds, 3 baths. You always said you wanted 1 level living. Open plan, 0 escape front yard, 2-car garage. Let's do this. I hope she says yes. Will you? What do you mean you're gonna play the field?